I would first like to thank you all for standing here with me today and listening to what I am about to say. I'm a firm believer that in life, we are not given more than we are not able to handle. Needless to say, I do not think that I have an easy life growing up. However, I rose above my situation and managed to persevere and succeed, regardless of everything that I experienced throughout my life. I have always planned ahead for everything, but I did not plan for anything like this. I was placed into emergency foster care after my dad abandoned me during the most critical year of high school, senior year, the year where students apply to colleges, go to prom, senior events, but most importantly, it's the year we make the most important decisions of our lives. Was the year that I began working full-time and going to school for full-time, trying to make ends meet to keep a roof over my head. I sacrificed everything so that nobody would know that I hardly slept and that I had no food to eat, because all the bills and utilities were due at the same time. Nobody knows the real struggle behind why students are not successful. My grades would not be the reason why I would not go to college. My life situation would be my setback. I did not see how it would be possible to go to school given the situation I was in, but I did not allow that to stop me. Why? Because I would not allow myself to be defined by my limitations, but rather my abilities. I knew I was capable, intelligent, but most importantly resilient, so I fought and managed to still make honor roll and be accepted into 16 out of the 17 universities I applied to. I stand here with you today because I hope to motivate others to do better, to not give up when there's a bump in the road, most importantly to enjoy today, for today will soon be a memory. Nothing lasts forever. Wounds heal and people change. Do not allow one day to define who you are. Inspire to change in yourself as well as others as I wish to do so. Because despite the abuse, neglect, and malnourishment I experienced, I graduated high school with a high GPA and will be attending Cal Lutheran University as a computer science major in the fall. And I like to think that I made it.